Ayubowan, good day everyone, and welcome to the very first video of this GIS course. I'm really glad to have you here. In today's session, we will be starting with the basic introduction to Geographic Information Systems, commonly known as GIS. This will give you a clear foundation before moving to more advanced topics in the upcoming sessions. What is GIS? So first, let's understand what GIS actually is and why it is important. Geographic Information Systems or GIS is a highly in-demand tool used in many different fields. It is especially useful when it comes to planning, analysis and decision making in real-world situations. Why GIS is important? In today's modern world, we deal with a huge amount of data every single day. Managing and understanding this data can be challenging. GIS helps us organize, manage and analyze this data more efficiently, making our work easier and more productive. Interestingly, the ideas behind GIS are not completely new. They are based on traditional concepts that have been improved using modern digital technology. That's why GIS is often described as old wine in a new bottle, meaning the basic ideas are old, but the way we use them today is modern and more advanced. History. The term GIS, which stands for Geographic Information System, became popular around the 1970s. Since then, it has developed rapidly and has become one of the most powerful analytical tools used in research and many practical applications today. Fields using GIS. GIS includes a wide range of technologies, processes and methods. It is used in many different fields such as geography, engineering, hydrology, urban planning, telecommunications, transportation, forestry and even business. This shows how widely GIS is applied in real-world situations. Spatial data. One of the most important features of GIS is that it works with spatial data. Spatial data simply means data that is linked to a specific location. In other words, if data has a geographic position, it can be used in GIS. Data examples. Any information that can be connected to a place on Earth can be used in GIS. For example, locations can be represented using latitude and longitude coordinates. GIS can handle different types of data such as population, income and education levels, land use, vegetation and soil types, as well as locations of factories, farms, schools and infrastructure like roads and power lines. Because of its wide range of applications, GIS has become very important, especially in research and solving real-world problems. In general, GIS can be defined as a computer-based system used to capture, store, analyze, interpret and visualize data related to the Earth. According to Bureau, GIS is a powerful set of tools used for collecting, storing, retrieving, transforming and displaying spatial data. Aronoff also explains that GIS provides 4 key capabilities: data capture and preparation, data management, data analysis and data presentation. ESRI Concept. In addition, ESRI defined GIS as a system that allows us to visualize, question, analyze and interpret data. This helps us better understand relationships, patterns and trends that may not be obvious at first glance. Key idea. So, when we combine all these definitions, one thing becomes very clear. GIS is not just about creating maps. It is a complete system that helps us understand spatial data more deeply and supports better decision making. In conclusion, GIS is a powerful and essential tool in today's world. It helps us connect data with location, analyze complex problems and present information in a clear and meaningful way for better understanding. Because of its wide range of applications and its importance in decision making, GIS continues to grow across many fields. Thank you for watching, and once again, welcome to this GIS learning series. Mapora, Learning Made Easy.